Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Western Union error code C7777. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser, type in Western Union and go to their official website. Now when you're visiting your website and trying to use the services or trying to do any transactions, if you're finding the error coming up, the first thing you're going to do is simply check out, do you have any ad blocking system added up to your tab. You can see right now I do have one, and this can sometimes cause the issue as well, so make sure to simply remove it if you don't need it anymore. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create another tab. Simply type in Western Union website down or shut down for that, and now you will feel, is it down right now, you will find this article right over here popping out. Simply go ahead and check on the recent one to check out the server's status update. And once you have done that, it will simply thoroughly show you that if the Western Union is down today or not. You can see user reports indicate no current problems at Western Union currently. So that means it is not your problem on your computers. If it's suddenly not working out of like nowhere, then you just have to wait for a while, refresh it, and make sure to remove any blockages, and then you will be done. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.